Where's Quest? Where's Quest? I hear a bunch of noise. Where's he at? Where's Quest? There he is. See him? He opened up the laundry room door and got in there himself. Why do you ask? There's his food. And it's open. Guilty boy. He shouldn't be hungry. He's eaten 25 times today. His dog is a monster dog eating. But it's open. He knows where it is. So, and now he's just going to go lay down in his crate. You're a good boy, Quest. No, you can't go in there. Quest. Quest. Look at this. Never mind. Love you. Bye.